There's a real romance to taking an RV off the beaten path. Imagine parking by a secluded lake, watching the sunset without another soul in sight. This is the allure of dry camping, often called boondocking. At Teshua Farms RVs, we love helping you find that perfect Alabama adventure. Boondocking isn't just about quiet, sometimes it's about the noise. For events like Talladega, dry camping gets you right into the infield for a front row seat to the excitement. It's an unbeatable experience that puts you in the center of the action. But before you head into the wild, you need a reality check. An RV isn't a magic box of unlimited resources. When you unplug from shore power, you become your own utility company. This requires vigilance. Here is the hardest truth. Your RV batteries won't power everything like your house does. Without a generator, those outlets on the wall are dead. You have lights and a water pump, but no microwave, no TV, and definitely no AC. Especially here in the South, remember the AC myth. Your air conditioner will not work on battery alone. If you're camping in the heat without hookups, the second that generator turns off, your RV turns into a sweatbox. Generators are lifesavers, but they aren't magic. They guzzle expensive fuel, they make noise, and you can't run them 24/7 without risking overheating. It's a constant management game. Finally, there's the tank game. When dry camping, every drop counts. Forget long, hot showers. You need to master the Navy shower, because once your gray or black tanks are full, the fun stops until you move the rig to dump them. So, is boondocking for you? If you are an experienced camper who knows how to monitor voltage meters, take Navy showers, and manage generator hours, boondocking offers an unparalleled sense of freedom. However, if you are a novice looking for a hotel on wheels experience where you can plug in a hairdryer, run the AC at 68 degrees Fahrenheit all day, and shower for 20 minutes, dry camping might not be the right choice for your first trip. We recommend booking a site with full hookups, electric, water, and sewer, to get comfortable with how an RV operates first.